Hi, I'm David DeHilster, co-creator of NLP++ and co-author of the brand new NLP++ textbook, now published by BPB Publishing. For decades, programmers working with text and natural language have been stuck with two bad options: opaque statistical systems that no one can fix or trust, or cryptic regular expressions that anyone who's used them absolutely hates. NLP++ changes all of that. NLP++ is the world's first and only universal programming language built specifically for natural language processing. Think of it as the SQL for text. Just like SQL became the standard for databases, NLP++ is the logical evolution for anyone who needs to read, understand, and extract meaning from text. And now for the first time, we have a comprehensive textbook to teach it. This book covers everything from the fundamental concepts of rule-based NLP to building real-world text analyzers using VisualText, our powerful development environment. You'll learn how to parse dates and times, reconstruct formatted documents, extract named entities, resolve core references, and even use and modify a full English parser, all in a system that is 100% transparent, 100% customizable, and 100% glass box. No black boxes, no guesswork, just logic you can read, understand, fix, and improve. Whether you're a computer scientist, a computational linguist, or a developer tired of fighting with rejects and unreliable AI toolkits, this book is for you. NLP++ is open source, free to use, and ready to run on Windows, Mac, and Linux today. Pick up your copy of the NLP++ textbook from BPB Publishing and start writing NLP programs the way humans actually read and understand text, by encoding that human reasoning directly into your analyzer. That's what NLP++ was built for. That's what this book teaches you how to do.